Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we're heading to one of the most mysterious and legendary places in the United States, Alcatraz. Located on an island in the middle of San Francisco Bay, Alcatraz is known as the prison that no one could escape from. But what made this prison so famous? And did anyone actually manage to escape? Let's dive into the story of this fascinating island. Alcatraz Island was originally used as a military fort in the 1800s, but it became a federal prison in 1934. It was designed to hold the most dangerous criminals in the country, men who were too violent, too famous, or too difficult to control in other prisons. Some of its most well-known inmates included Al Capone, George Machine Gun Kelly, and Robert Stroud, the Birdman of Alcatraz. The prison was built with high security in mind, surrounded by freezing cold waters and strong currents. The island was considered escape-proof. The cells were small and simple. The rules were strict, and prisoners had very limited contact with the outside world. Life at Alcatraz was harsh, and it was meant to break the spirit of even the toughest men. But that didn't stop some prisoners from trying to escape. Over the years, 36 men attempted to break out of Alcatraz in 14 separate escape attempts. Most were caught, some were shot, and others drowned. However, the most famous escape happened in 1962, when 3 inmates, Frank Morris and brothers John and Clarence Anglin, managed to dig through the back of their cells and escape into the water using a homemade raft made of raincoats. They were never found, and no one knows for sure if they survived. In 1963, just 1 year after that escape, Alcatraz was closed due to high operating costs and the difficulty of maintaining the old facility. Today, the island is a popular tourist attraction where visitors can tour the prison, learn about its history, and even step inside the cold, narrow cells. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know why Alcatraz is one of the most famous prisons in the world and how it became a symbol of isolation, mystery, and escape. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.